Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can tell if someone is online on OkCupid. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, let's start our video. For the matter, what we will do, we will open up our OkCupid. Can be either our phone's app or we can go to our Chrome browser and access it over there. Once you're in this home section, you can find this kind of interface where you can find the profiles. You can swipe to and see the pictures if you want. You can do it, you can according to your need, right? So you can just swiping right or left. Once you have done so, if there is a person in this chat section that you have been chatting with, you can find this in that user's profile. You can find to the right of the username there is a green circle that will appear. If the circle is full in green, the user is currently logged in and active to some degree. You will find that if it's not filled with green, that person is not active. Options gonna look like, once we have made our friends, we can go to our like section as well, chat section as well, and that person's profile will show up. If this kind of circle is filled with green, that means the person is online, and you can certainly go ahead, text them, they will reply you back. So that will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.